Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Trust wallet to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to boost your crypto security or just manage your assets more efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, some BNB in your account, and your Tangem Wallet hardware device connected and unlocked. Oh, and don't forget to have a stable internet connection. Crypto transfers rely on it. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BNB token in your wallet dashboard. It's usually front and center if you have it added. Tap on it to access your BNB balance. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll see options to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Tangem wallet. Unlock it using your PIN or biometrics, and go to the Receive section to copy your BNB wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field in Trust Wallet. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which have gotten more efficient in 2025. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a breath and hit send. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Tangem wallet and refresh to see your BNB arrive. Awesome, you're all set. One quick heads up. Always use the BNB Smart Chain for these transfers to keep fees low and speeds high. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check your wallet's transaction history or reach out to support. There you have it, folks. That's how you securely transfer BNB in 2025. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy transferring. See you in the next video.